Good day everyone. My name is Rialyn P. Cadivida, currently pursuing a Bachelor Elementary of Education at St. Francis College, Giholngan. So, to this video, I will discuss about patterns and numbers in nature and the world. Okay? So, pattern defined as regular, repeated, recurring forms or designs. In the general sense of the word, patterns are recurring forms or designs. We see patterns every day, from the layout of floor tiles, designs of skyscrapers, or the way we tie our shoelaces. So we have types of patterns. First is symmetry or symmetrical patterns. It is a design or pattern that is identical on both halves when folded. Symmetrical patterns can have multiple lines of symmetry. And to find a line of symmetry, you can fold a shape. So we have the example of symmetrical patterns, which is butterfly and the leaf. The second is spiral. It's a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and a series of circular shapes that revolve around it. And the example are pineapple, snail shells, and the hurricanes. So the third is fractal. It's a never-ending pattern. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across different scales. The example are snowflakes and the fern. The fourth is tessellation. It's created when a shape is repeated over and over again, covering a plane without any gaps or overlaps. Another word for tessellation is a tilling. Here's the examples: the pineapple and the honeycomb. So we now proceed to Fibonacci sequence. Leonardo Pisano, also known as Leonardo Pisano or Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician who discovered the sequence. The sequence goes like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Each number in the sequence is the sum of the two numbers which precede it. We may notice that the start from 0, 1, 1, so that the started of sequence, and what will be the next value, we would add these two numbers. So we have 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 plus 8 equals 13, and so on. So that is how the sequence goes. So that will be on our topic.